My name is Jack Hanney, and welcome to this week's edition of The Insider. Bank of America's Michael Hartnett says to sell the stock market rally and to sell the bounce in stocks. This is echoing the same sentiment the week before last from UBS about sell the rally in stocks. Keep in mind, Trump's tariff trade wars, the effects will not be felt until next quarter. Next quarter's earnings, those will be revised downward. What we're seeing right now is at shipping ports, as well as even some grocery stores, that shipments coming in have all but stalled. We'll see consumer confidence continue to plunge. So we won't really realize the effects of the Trump tariff trade wars until we have the earnings next quarter. Gold, on the other hand, is at $3,350 an ounce, and it looks like it may be silver's time to shine. Many are saying that with silver crossing $33 an ounce, it could be on its way to $35 and then on its way to $40, if not $50 an ounce. Remember, silver is always late to the party. I am not a certified financial investment advisor, nor do I give tax advice. Any anticipation next week of Jerome Powell and the Fed's cutting rates, I think there's a very slim possibility of that happening. But what everyone is going to be looking for are Jerome Powell's statements and any hint at the next Fed meeting, if they'll become more accommodative. They may say something along the lines that the high interest rates are restrictive in the housing market and that they're looking at inflation easing and being more accommodative in June. If that were to be the case, we should see a rally in physical gold and silver. Please visit us at www.patriotgoldgroup.com or call 1-888-301-7012. Again, that's www.patriotgoldgroup.com or call 1-888-301-7012. Remember, Goldman Sachs revised their forecast to $4,000 an ounce in 2026 and the possibility of $4,500 an ounce if excessive risks continue. Forecasts for silver are as high as $45 an ounce in 2025 and then as high as $60, $70, some saying $125 an ounce if automakers look into buying silver mines. And that was according to Keith Neumeyer, the CEO of First Majestic Silver. It looks like right now the two top trades and the two best performing asset classes for 2025 will be physical gold and silver for the third year in a row. Thank you, and I look forward to speaking with you next week on an episode of The Insider.